Wonder who that is. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Paul, how's it going? My name's Jim Johnson. I'm with Rock River Ford's mobile service. I'm here to take care of your vehicle's recalls today.
All right, here's my
All
key.
right.
Do you
Thank you,
need
Paul.
anything else?
Not at all. I'm going to take care of everything. You
All
go
right.
back to doing whatever you want to do, my man.
Working hard.
All right, sounds
All
good.
right,
Thank you.
Thanks. How's it going, Jim?
Everything's going good, Paul. And while Paul's inside doing his day-to-day activities, I'm out taking care of all of his vehicle's recalls, batteries, and anything else that we can take care of. Plus, we do offer pickup and delivery for any oil change or work needed.
You're done already?
All done, Paul. Everything's taken care of, my
Wow,
man.
that was fast, man.
You only got about 2 passes in.
I know, man. Well, I'll finish up now. Thanks for the... Man, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. Thank you so much.
Paul. Thanks for letting us come out today. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Have a great day.
You too.
No matter what you got going today, let us take care of your vehicle while you're doing that. Time to hit the next one.